हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल एक्ट की। सो एनजीटी हैज 5 places of sitting. New Delhi is the principal place of sitting, and then comes Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata and Chennai. India was the third country in the world and the first developing country to do so after Australia and New Zealand. ये एनजीटी एक स्पेशलाइज्ड बॉडी है जो सेटअप हुआ था फॉर द इफेक्टिव एंड एक्सपीडिएंट डिस्पोजल ऑफ केसेस रिलेटिंग टू एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड अदर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। एनजीटी मैंडेटेड किया गया है टू मेक द डिस्पोजल ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस और अपील्स फाइनली विद इन 6 months ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ द सेम। जस्टिस पी एन भगवती थ्रू द केस ऑफ एमसी मेहता वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, जिसको हम ओलियम गैस लीक केस भी बोलते हैं, was the first person to strongly advocate the establishment of environmental codes. अच्छा, then comes 1999 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन किया फॉर द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल कोड। कौन से केस में? एपी पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड वर्सेस प्रोफेसर एमवी नायडू, by observing that it was of paramount importance to establish the environmental codes, authorities and tribunal for providing the adequate judicial and scientific inputs rather than leaving such complicated disputes to be decided by the officers which were drawn from the executive. So it was the result of this that in the year 2010 that the bill was passed by the Lok Sabha and the National Green Tribunal Act came into the force. Now, when we talk about the structure of NGT, we have the chairperson, judicial members and expert members. Judicial members should be at least 10 in number and expert members should be maximum of 20. एक selection committee बनाई जाती है which is formed by the central government to appoint the judicial members and expert members. जब मैं chairpersons की बात करती हूँ तो chairperson is appointed by the central government in consultation with Chief Justice of India. अच्छा, ये जो सारे ऑफिसर्स हैं दे कैन होल्ड द ऑफिस फॉर द टर्म ऑफ ओनली 5 years एंड दे आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर रीअपॉइंटमेंट। व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द पावर्स एंड जुरिडिक्शन, एनजीटी हैज अ ओरिजिनल एंड अपीलेंट जुरिडिक्शन. It has jurisdiction over all the cases involving substantial questions relating to environment. It is not bound by the procedure laid down under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, but it shall be guided by the principle of natural justice. It can pass any order, decision or award. It can apply the principle of sustainable development, precautionary principle and polluter principle. An order, decision or award of tribunal is executable as a decree of a civil court. अच्छा, जो भी अपील है against the order, decision या award of NGT, it lies to the Supreme Court generally within the 90 days from the date of communication. Now, NGT by an order can provide relief and compensation to the victims of pollution and other environmental damage, for the restitution of the property damage and for the restitution of the environment for such area or areas as the tribunal may think fit. It can provide a procedure for the penalty for non-compliances of any order or award. It can provide the imprisonment for the term which may extend to the 3 years, fine which may extend to the 10 crore rupees and both fine and imprisonment. Now, NGT deals with the civil cases under 7 laws which are related to the environment. These include Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Seas Act 1977, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, the Forest Conservation Act 1980, the Environmental Protection Act 1986, the Biological Diversity Act 2002 and Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. यानी ये 7 केसेस हैं जिसको एनजीटी डील कर सकता है। अच्छा, तो बाकी के इसके अलावा जो केसेस हैं एनजीटी को इन 7 टाइप ऑफ एक्ट्स को डील करने के लिए ही पावर दिया गया है। बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972, इंडियन फॉरेस्ट एक्ट 1927 एंड वेरियस लॉज विच आर एनेक्टेड बाय द स्टेट विच आर रिलेटिंग टू द एनवायरमेंट, फॉरेस्ट, ट्रीज एंड प्रिजर्वेशन, उन केसेस में, उन सिचुएशंस में you have to approach the state high court or the Supreme Court through a writ petition, or file an original suit before an appropriate civil judge of the taluka where the project that you intend to challenge is located. अच्छा, जब हम केसेस की बात करते हैं तो देयर आर द सेवरल केसेस. यहाँ पे हमने केस की बात की है और वन लाइन में क्या निकल के आया उसमें से हमने वो डिस्कस किया है. सबसे पहला आता है मिस पिटीट सी एल्वेरस वर्सेस द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा एंड अदर्स. Even a foreign national can approach the NGT. Almitra H. Patels and others versus Union of India and others. Complete prohibition on open burning of waste on lands. Srinagar Bandh Apada Sangrah Samiti and Association versus Alkananda Hydropower Cooperative Limited and others. In this case, no fault liability principle invoked. Samit Mehta versus Union of India and others. In this case, the polluter pays principle invoked. Save Mon Region Federation and others versus Union of India and others. Here, the victory for the birds was there and massive hydropower project losses. Saloni Singh and Anvers versus Union of India and others. Here, NGT said major railway stations having potential of causing pollution are not beyond the environmental law of land. W. Edwin Wilson's applicant versus Union of India and others respondent ensured that 100% sewage treatment of water reaching rivers before the 31st 2020. Dr. Gautam Ghosh versus State of West Bengal and others. Here, installed ambient air quality monitoring station giving the real-time data in 1 year. Shailej Singh versus State of Haryana and others. Here, it came out that industrial development cannot be done on the graves of human beings and at the cost of air and water quality. Indian Glycols Limited versus Central Groundwater Authority and others. Here, it came out that there is no guaranteed right to continue to draw the groundwater for commercial purpose. Srinath Sharma versus Union of India and others. Here, NGT directed the CPCB, that is Central Pollution Control Board, to prepare the new environmental plan for the country. Social Action for Forest and Environment versus Union of India and others. Here, NGT directed CPCB to issue the guidelines on management of waste tires and restricted import. So guys, आगे है सुंदर एप्लीकेंट वर्सेस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट एंड फॉरेस्ट एंड अदर्स रिस्पोंडेंट दैट इवन इफ कंसेंट टू ऑपरेट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, एक्शन मस्ट बी टेकन व्हेन पोल्यूशन इज कॉज्ड. शैलेज सिंह versus State of UP and others. Here, NGT directed CPCB to submit the action report on action plan for the enforcement of e-waste management rules. Nughalhi Jaya Simha versus Government of NCT of Delhi. Here, NGT directed the Pollution Board to lay down the guidelines for the management and monitoring of environmental laws by the dairies. So guys, यही था आज के लिए. And please do subscribe, like, share and अगर जो कोई भी क्वेरीज है इसके रिगार्डिंग तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में इसके रिगार्डिंग कह सकते हैं. थैंक यू गाइज.